There's the trees over my house.
Put it on YouTube.
That's what she just said. There's the thunder.
They're big now.
Ow! Ow!
Come on, babe.
Ah!
Come on, come on.
Oh my God!
Let me blow my smoke out.
They'll do that like that. There it is. They're getting real big now. I have never seen anything like this.
This thing is cars under the tree.
It looks like fucking it's snowing. It's goddamn hail.
They're marble.
Fucking look at him bouncing.
That's how I noticed it earlier.
Dude, this is insane. Oh my God, dude. Yeah. That's fucking nuts, dude. Welcome to the Poconos.